Self-destruct sequence activated.
Hey everybody, Josh bringing you another project for you guys today. Now, what I have been thinking about doing for a while is, some of y'all do not know, and some of y'all do know. This is my uh, replica of what I have done for my bike right here, and I kind of wanted to do it like a little bit more nicer, a little bit more cleaner. So some stuff I want to refurbish, some stuff I'm just going to toss in the garbage. But some stuff I'm not going to worry about using no more because I got a lot better parts. So let's go ahead and see what parts that I'm going to save, what parts I'm not going to save. So I got the parts right behind me, and we're going to go through this right here, see what parts we are going to go ahead and save. And let's get started. Okay, so here's what we're going to be doing today. Now, you kind of see I did remove the little box that was right here. I got that over here. I just painted it yesterday, and it looks so much better. And also, I even added this little topper right here on here. I thought it looks a lot nicer. So, I made this yesterday. I repainted it, and I let it dry overnight, and it looks so much better. And I even glued these back in right here. So this right here is basically done. Now, as you kind of remember that there was a little circuit box adapter, lightning rod, or whatever the heck it was, well, it was right here, which I ripped that out, and I decided to 3D print one. And now if this right here was a full size, it'll be like this big right here, so I just scale it down a little bit to make it more of my kind of size that I actually need. I don't need a real big size. So if we kind of take a look, it looks a lot nicer. And if I kind of go and grab the one that I used before. Now, there's not real much of a difference, but basically, scale does matter. And, I mean, this was pretty much okay, but I just put these on here just to get a nice little flair to them. But we're not going to use that. We're going to do this, and there was supposed to be a little border right here, what this one actually has, which this one did not have. So a little bit of a scale difference right there between 3D printing and what I got from the internet. So this is 3D print. This is what I got off the internet. This was a, I don't know what the heck this was from. But, and then what I decided to go ahead and do is I actually 3D printed another one. I just refurbished this right here. Sanded it a little bit, but refurbished it. So this is 3D printed, but this is not. Now, if this was regular scale, it would have been a lot bigger. But I scale it down, like I said before again, and made it into this size right here. So I think it looks a lot nicer. Now, between what I did before is a lot nice difference. Now, I was going to save the little the little barrels I had on here. I was going to save them, but I decided not to. I decided I'm going to go ahead and use some dowels that I'm going to get for this. So this is almost done. I just have to paint it again. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the side barrels or whatever these are called. Now, I painted these, and what they are, they're just two little plastic balls that you get from the quarter machine, and one was a smiley face, one was an alien. Basically, that's pretty much it. I just cut them in half because I had two of them and they were perfect size that I needed. Alright, it's only holding on by one screw, so let's go ahead and take this out. There it goes. Now, this is the original one that I actually have, but I don't like it. And here's why. Now, I got these online. These are just the little caps that are supposed to go in here. Now, if I actually put the wire right through, it does look a lot nicer, but the wire is a little bit small. So I'm going to go ahead and see about modifying this a little bit. But these two are the two end caps of this right here. Now, you kind of do tell of why I want to upgrade this, make these a little bit bigger. So I printed out two of each per one. Here's one for one, and here's some for the other. Now these right here are just three printed. I printed these out like a week ago. I just been hanging on to them, so I've been thinking about doing this for a while now. I was thinking about refurbishing this right here, but I decided not to. So I'm going to go ahead and chuck this and not use it. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off right here, and we're going to go ahead and move on. Okay, I kind of straightened it up a little bit, but we're going to talk about these right here and what size these were supposed to be for. Now, these were supposed to be size 6-inch round if I actually got my ruler. This is actually 6 inches right here. So, and I just scaled it down to about 1.5. So basically that's a big difference right there. Now, the reason why that these right here are supposed to be 6 inches is because these are supposed to be for a real life one. Now, I did take a look of online of how big are these supposed to be and how long they will take. These only took about 2 hours to print. If they were original size, it would be about over a day. So that's why I didn't do this. That's why I'm not going to do a real life version. But I think what I'm going to do, if I end up doing a real life one and end up doing something, I might just get like a big bowl, like a big plastic bowl, because that does look like what it does look like. Now, I mean, because now I do got a 3D printer now, and I do got some nice stuff to put on here onto the new one, and also I'm going to be 3D printing out the new roof rack and the mounts for it. And this is not going to go in the back. This is actually going to go up on the roof of my bike right here. Now, I know I can feel you guys right down there typing down there and say, well, Josh, you drive an electric bike, but it doesn't have a roof. Well, I do happen to found a canopy for a Universal. It will come from China and come from Japan, but I really don't care. But I'm going to go ahead and order that, and I'll order it in white, and I'll paint it just like I have for that one. I'll make it look just like if this was supposed to be 4, and I'm going to have the siren on top, not on the bottom. So this will look a little bit more nicer. It's not going to be in there, and so that's a real easy job to do. So I'm going to go ahead and include this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit that like button. And also, if you like to see more 3D printed videos of this right here, let me know down in the comments below. And also, there will be more videos on this right here, and I will show the finished product right there and let you guys know what you think about it. And I got some more 3D print files that I want to plan for future videos, and hope you guys will enjoy them. So I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video right now. Hope you guys enjoy it, and stay safe out there, guys. Take care, and hope you guys have a great day.